I'm not going to go line up.
Mad.
Good morning. Welcome to today's video. As you can see, it's absolutely pissing down. Just want to say thanks to all of you guys for watching all the previous videos. We are getting a lot of views on these Powercruise videos, and for good reason, because we're going to go out and we're going to absolutely give it a fucking hoo-yah. You know what I mean? Like, on the track, it's going to be sick. Right now, we're pulling the carbs off Cuddles. We're going to install a lean out valve, so we're just going to do that. I think the rest of the cars are pretty well good to go, but we just got to wait for this rain to clear before we get out on track. So, slow start to the morning, but it's going to be sweet. Red barrier? What red barrier? Oh no. Got a bit of a bust up. You haven't seen hard muscle job?
Right, tell them, mate.
Right, mate, I'm locked up. It's so slippery. Old mate's asking us what's going on. I'm like, bro, when that Falcon hit it, he fucking knocked bottles everywhere.
Mr. trying to win a race ran out of talent a bit early, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. Maybe you might not want to line up next to him just for safety reasons.
Hey, at least I backed it up next round.
Yeah.
That's false. Wait, Ronnie, I backed it up next corner. Alright, so we're lined up in the cruise session. Left it exactly the same, so it's still got the stock timing. We're just going to go out on track, have a bit of a feel, bit of a play, and see how it's sort of behaving. So we're out on the track. Had to call it quits early because we spat the alternator belt. So we were spinning belts at Winginit, and what I did to try and fix that was install one of these, which is manual. Sorry, I'm shaking. I'm still full of adrenaline from the drive, man. Fuck, it was like so good. Holy shit. Anyway, So I put this manual tensioner in there so it wasn't sort of, just so it wasn't flopping around, because it's still the stock tensioner, and I thought, oh, it's hitting the limiter and it's fucking, but it's obviously done it again. The belt's still intact, so it's just sitting there, but obviously it come off mid-run, and the way I know that the belt's off is the voltage drops, the battery volts drops to like, you know, 11 volts or whatever, and so that's how you know. So we had to pull it off early, but man, this fucking thing, holy shit, it doesn't need any more power. It is just absolutely killer at the moment, man. Like, fucking getting on it in second gear, pull it straight into top, and it's just fucking bagging it up. Like, it was so good to get out on the track, man. Fucking amazing. So, Minter. Hey boys, we'll put this belt on. I'll have a chat to Damo and sort of see what we can do. Maybe there's a bit of misalignment there, but for now, yeah, just going to chill out, watch a bit of cruising and stuff like that, and maybe the boys will get out on the track. I know they were trying to get out there and meet me out there and whatnot. So yeah, anyway, that's the update. Fucking loving it. There's one other thing we have to do, and that is check how much fuel it used doing that run. So it was full to the brim. Oh yeah, I think that's not too bad. See if we can get a good shot in there. So she's still above the foam, living the dream. Just like these boys, eh? Say hey to YouTube, bro. I fucking need me one of them buggies, eh? That's it.
Yeah?
I think he ran out of space over there. Couldn't see
Getting
where
out?
he was going and decided that, yeah, maybe we should bail out before we hit the wall. Touch hole around now and come back to line.
Yeah, Rod's in.
Uh-oh. I don't think he's running. It's the extractor. It's the extractor. Oh, it's not. I thought he just ran out of real estate and parked it up. Fuck, that's too easy, guys.
Righto.
Here we are, bro.
What the hell has just happened?
So we have gone rods in Cuddles, completely fucking rooted it. If we can get a light on, we'll show you the damage.
Where's the peekaboo?
Peekaboo!
And
Piston ring hanging out there.
like another peekaboo down there. She's done a top job.
We've done a job on it, all right? So that's all good because the end of one era means the beginning of another. So I'm keen. But that means the end of the weekend for me in Cuddles today. But we'll rebuild and come back, obviously. And it frees me up to help now with you guys and help filming and shit like that. So we'll still be making the most of it.
I'll give you the keys to Winginit for a lap. Yeah.
Big day, mate.
Oh yeah,
Big night.
definitely. Oh,
A lot of things happened.
big day.
Should we go have a look? So we had a not very successful trip to the burnout pad. I mean, Damien wouldn't say that. We'll start with the real carnage.
This thing's it's got an oil leak. Oh no. No, it's he's unfortunately done some fucking very bad stuff. That's just on one side. There's probably a couple more through there somewhere.
Give you a proper look tomorrow. I don't know what happened here. It probably bent a rod. We'll find out.
Yeah, she's just a bit tight.
Full bickies, and it just stopped. And now it won't turn over.
Yeah.
But it doesn't have a window. So I don't know. Stay tuned, we'll figure it all out tomorrow. Either this thing's getting a motor swap, or I'm going to go get another car for me and Kieran to flog around. Yeah, car swap or motor swap.
Definitely.
No, it's nearly 1 o'clock.
Only one.
And
The video's still getting out.
the video is not done yet. That's why we're out here, because I didn't wrap it up, and we've done a whole lot of fuck all today.
Dyno is still getting pumped.
Yeah, we're literally editing the video, and the dyno is still up and running at 1 o'clock in the fucking morning.
Oh yeah.
Only at Powercruise.
Oh yeah. Good shit.